Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Keeping your T-Mobile 5G gateway firmware up to date is important because firmware updates can improve network stability, enhance security, and resolve performance issues that may affect your internet connection. In many cases, the T-Mobile 5G gateway handles updates automatically, but there may be times when you want to verify the current version or check whether an update is available. A properly updated gateway can help ensure the best possible experience for connected devices throughout your home. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to check and update firmware on a T-Mobile 5G gateway. Try these. Step 1. Connect to the T-Mobile 5G gateway network. Step 2. Access management settings for the T-Mobile 5G gateway. Step 3. Locate firmware information on the T-Mobile 5G gateway. Step 4. Check for updates on the T-Mobile 5G gateway. Step 5. Allow the T-Mobile 5G gateway to complete the update. Step 6. Verify the new firmware version on the T-Mobile 5G gateway.